Hello traders, in this video we are going to be taking a look at the Neon Trade EA for MT4 and MT5. Before we dive into that, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So this is a multi-currency diversified system sold for $949 with some interesting features. So let's break it down honestly. So from what we can see on the MK5 page, the Neon Trade EA is designed as a versatile multi-currency tool that doesn't limit itself to specific pairs. It uses machine learning on powerful servers for predictions with manual selection of the best settings by the developer. These settings are then synchronized to the robots on the fly. So, according the developer claims he aims to create a unique trading solution capable of meeting the needs of any trader, regardless of their goals and objective. So, his main idea was to combine machine learning with advanced trading techniques in such a way as to maximize the benefits of their combined use. So, according to the developer, the system is suitable both for growing small deposits over 1 to 2 months and for maximally long-term investing for years ahead. The system emphasizes heavy diversification by trading many pairs simultaneously, distributing risks automatically. It also offers additional modes like martingale or averaging, which the developer says become safer due to portfolio distribution. Other pillars include dynamic adaptation, hedging elements, and resilience to delays or restarts. Alright, as for the key features, they include machine learning based optimization, broad multi currency diversification, automatic risk distribution, multiple trading modes, which include hedging and averaging, convenience of single chart installation, and reliability during terminal issues. So the inputs and documentation show or allow customization of pairs, modes, risk levels, and other parameters. It's positioned as a flexible, scalable solution for traders who want broad market exposure with ongoing updates. Right. So we have some images here from the developer. Just load this up. Okay, it's having a bit of difficulty, so I'm just going to zoom in, see if you can see what we have there. All right, so we can see how the equity curve looks. It's grinded up very slowly. It looks a little flat over time, but overall, if you look closely, you can see it was grinding up very slowly, and then as it went on towards the further right, you can see the sharp movements to the upside, showing that it picked up from the mid-range towards the far right, and you can see that reflected in its results. For the initial deposit of $1,000, we can see a total net profit of over $55,000. We had a profit factor of 4.59 and a drawdown of just 1.21%. Um, Now, I was going to test this EA personally, carry out my own personal backtest and compare it to the developer's claim. Okay, I think we have a clearer image now. It's finally opened. So, um, the total net profit was $15,333, as opposed to what I said earlier. Um, yeah, aside that, I think everything else was accurate. The profit factor still remains 4.59, and the balance drawdown still remains 1.21%. All right, like as I was saying, I was going to test this EA and compare my results to what the developer has on the site, but unfortunately, the EA didn't load on MT5. So we only have what we have here on the MKO5 page to work with. Okay, so the machine learning and manual setting selection can provide an edge, but like all EAs, past optimizations don't guarantee future performance. The additional modes, martingale, averaging, increase potential reward, but also risks, even with portfolio distribution. The single chart convenience and synchronization are practical benefits. However, relying on several updates means dependence on the developer. Honestly, the features that matter most are conservative overall risks, careful selection of enabled modes, and thorough testing of the diversification effects. The multi-currency nature is a double-edged sword. It can reduce some risks but amplify others during global events. Okay, so this EA suits experienced traders comfortable with multi-pair diversification and various trading modes to actively monitor performance. It's good if you want a flexible, scalable system, but you should probably avoid this EA if you're a beginner. Prefer simple single pair EAs, have a small account, or dislike complex portfolio management. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex support from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.